This was text to columns that we have done in the last session. Now let us go with this data sorting. So data sorting is used to rearrange the data based upon your requirement, be it descending, be it highest to lowest. In case of numbers, we can go for highest to lowest or lowest to highest. In case of date, we can go from let's say January to December, or like this. In case of text, A to Z, Z to S. So this is how data sorting works, and the shortcut for data sorting is Alt DS. So either we can go with this Alt DS, or we can go to data tab, and under data tab there is a sort option. So let us see with the practical, and we are going to see multiple scenarios of data sorting. Now in this file, we have 4 sheets. So in the first sheet, we have this one, data 1. Now these are some employee data where we have a department, we have name, and we have role. So based upon this data, I just wanted to sort the data based upon name. Let's say I wanted to sort the data based upon name, or I wanted to sort the data based upon role. Let us see how we can sort this. So I'll just place my cursor inside the pivot table. Sorry, not a pivot table. This is the actual data where we have. So I'll just select the data or place my cursor inside the data. Now I'll go with this data tab. Under data tab, there is a sort option. Either you can use this option, or there is a shortcut Alt DS. This is the shortcut, which is Alt DS. Right. Now, so this will give me a window, and where I can select this data where I wanted to sort. So we have 3 columns: department, name, and role. Now I just wanted to sort the data based upon, let's say, department and A to Z. Right. Department and A to Z. So let us click OK. So it will sort the data like this: administration, finance, maintenance, and marketing. So these are the 4 departments, and we have sorted the data based upon this department. Now the requirement, this is clear, everybody. This basic sorting is clear. So actually I have seen many people, they select the data like this, right? Like this. This is the wrong practice, because if I'm going to select the data like this, so it will only sort this column. Rest department and role will not be sorted, and the data will be the data would become incorrect, right? So the best practice of doing data sorting is just place the cursor inside the data. Anywhere we can select, or this or this. And after that, we can go for Alt DS, or we can go to data tab, and under data tab, this is a sort option. Now here we can select like department, name, or role. So these are the 3 columns that we have inside the data. So I'll be selecting this department. This is showing A to Z or Z to S. So this is by default selected. I'll just click OK. So this is doing the data sorting based upon the department. Right. Now, so let us move into this one, administration. Under administration, we have different names, multiple names. I just wanted to sort the data A to Z order for a specific department. Let's say for administration, I wanted for A to Z, for finance A to Z, for maintenance A to Z, and for marketing A to Z. Means I wanted to sort the data first by department and then by name. So we have 2 levels of sorting in this case. I wanted to perform 2 levels of sorting. So कैसे sorting होगा 2 level का? Let us see. So I'll go with this Alt DS. This is department. I'll go with this add level. ये add level. Then I'll go with this name. First by department, then by name. Click OK. So this is the sorting. This is what we have done. So under administration, we have the name from A to Z. Under finance, we have a name from A to Z. Maintenance A to Z, and marketing A to Z. This is clear, everybody. This is clear. Now, let's move into the third scenario, and which is the complex and which is the most important scenario that we have to discuss right now. Now, I wanted to sort the data like this. First by finance, second by administration, third by marketing, and fourth by maintenance. So this is the order that I wanted into this data. I wanted to sort the data based upon this order. We can do this. Kaise kar sakte? How we can do this? Because I cannot do like cut paste of things, right? So let us see. What I'll do, I'll just go with Excel options. And what is the shortcut for Excel's options? Anybody? What is the shortcut for Excel options? Alt TO. Dhyan dijiyega, Alt TO. Or we can go for this file. And this is options. File options. This is Excel options. Advanced. Under advanced, I'll go to extreme bottom. Under this one, it's showing edit custom list. So I'll just select this one. Now, this is showing to import the data. So what I'll do, I'll select this list and import. Or there is an option for to write it manually also. But to avoid some spelling mistakes, typo error, that's why I have just selected this import option. So I'll just go into this window. I'll just select this and click on import. Isko import kar denge. Click OK. Click OK. Now what I'll do, I'll go with this data, sort. Let us delete this name. I don't want this name to be sorted like this. So sort by department. This is sort on, here it's asking order. This is showing A to Z, Z to A, and there is a custom list. So I'll be going into this list and I'm getting the same window. Now the question is that if this window is coming in this option only, so what was the requirement to go via that tool and options, right? File options, because the import option is not there here. So to access the import option, to make our data imported directly into the custom list, so it was the option that I have gone into this file and then option. In this case, the import option is not coming. Here also we can type, but to avoid again that typo error and spelling mistakes, I have used that window. So what I'll do, under this one, custom list, I'll select the list that I have created. Now click OK. Click OK and then done. Finance, administration, marketing, maintenance. ऐसे हो गया. The data that we required, it's perfectly coming like this, the order. This is clear, everybody. चलिए. अब question ये है कि I have basically created a custom list into this file. So if I'm going to send this file to anybody, so will custom list work? Yes, custom list will work. See, custom list has been saved into your system. ये आपके system में है and you can access into any of the file that you are using into your system. But if I'm going to send this file to somebody, तो उसके file में रहेगा, उनके system पे नहीं होगा, but उनके file पे रहेगा. The person will be able to work on into this file using this custom list. Now, what is the advantage of using a custom list? Custom list create करने का और क्या फायदा है? Let us see the magical thing. If I'm working on a new file and I wanted a list of all the departments that are there into our companies, company में जितने भी departments है वो मुझे चाहिए. So what I'll do, I'll go with this writing anything. मैं क्या करूँगा? कोई भी एक department को लिखूँगा. I'll write any of the department first. Now, just drag this. देखा आपने? After dragging, I am getting the list of all the departments. I'm getting the list of all the departments because this is in custom list. Now, if I'm going to write capital, so I'll be getting like this, capital. If I'm going to write like this, तो ये ऐसे भी काम करेगा. Row and column किसी में. और जरूरी नहीं कि I have to write from finance. It's not mandatory that I have to start from finance. I can start from marketing also, like this. Marketing से भी start करेंगे and I can go with like this. So this is the advantage of a custom list, that if I wanted this list in any of the file, so we can easily access those lists. So इस तरह से हम कर सकते चीज़ों. Clear? So let us move into the next scenario. Now I wanted to do the reverse. Maintenance, marketing, administration, and finance. I wanted to sort the data based upon this one. कैसे करेंगे? Again, same process, or I have to do, we can do it with this list only, because I have created a list based upon this order. Now I wanted the reverse order. So how we can do this? कैसे करेंगे? देखिए मैं आपको बताता हूँ कैसे करना है. Let us go to sort. इसको delete करते हैं एक बार. So whenever I am going to select this one, let's say department, and there is a custom list created here. Click OK. And then you will be getting two lists. One is the original list that I have created, and the reverse of that list is already there into this one. ये रहेगा. Click OK. Done. So it's not required to create the list 2 times. We can use the same custom list to do the reverse sorting. Clear? Chale. So let us go into this sheet 2. Let us move into this sheet. Now we have a data like this: name, role, departments, and points. Now, as of now, we have sorted the data based upon top to bottom, right? Now the requirement is that I wanted to sort the data based upon left to right, not top to bottom. I wanted to sort the data left to right. So how we can do this? We can use the data sorting options. So अगर मैं A to Z order में करता हूँ left to right, तो which column will come first? बता सकते हैं anybody which column will come first? Department, yes. Then name, then points earned, and then role. ऐसे आएंगे D, N, P, and R. So let us see कैसे कर सकते हैं. I'll go with this sort. It's asking for the options. So मैं options में जाऊंगा. Now this is showing top to bottom and left to right. Top to bottom आ रहा है and left to right आ रहा है. So what I'll do? I'll go with this left to right. Click OK. Now it's asking for the row number. मैं कर दूंगा row 1 because the data is into my first row. Click OK. Done. Department, name, points earned, and role. Department, name, points earned, and role. चलिए. Let us see example or usage of this. So what is the use of this one? आपने बहुत कम जगह पे देखा होगा कि this methodology is being used. ऐसे यूज होता नहीं है. डिपार्टमेंट ऐसे कभी करते हैं. दिस इज द रेयर रिक्वायरमेंट दैट वी वांटेड टू सॉर्ट द डेटा बेस्ड अपॉन द कॉलम. ऐसे होते नहीं है. बट वी कैन सॉर्ट, वी कैन यूज दिस टेक्नोलॉजी और वी कैन यूज दिस टेक्निक, सॉर्टिंग टेक्निक on some other types of requirement. Let us see, I am receiving a data. मैं data को receive करता हूँ on daily requirement, daily basis पे, and the data is having 20-30 columns. वो एक format में आता है. Now what I do, I just sort the data based upon my requirement. मुझे एक report create करना होता है and I just sort the data based upon my report format. So if I am going to do it manually, cut paste, so it will take lots of time. Let us assume कि name should come first. I am creating a report where name is the first column. Second column is this role. Third is this department. And fourth is this points earned. Right. Now I just wanted to sort the data based upon this order. कैसे होगा? This order. This is the order that I wanted to sort the data. Let us see. What I'll do, I'll just create a custom list for this one. So I'll go with this Alt-O, advanced, edit custom list. I'll go with this import. So this is the, click OK. Now what I'll do, I'll go with this sort. I'll go with this A to Z, this one row 1. This is perfect. I'm not going to sort based upon A to Z or Z to A. I'll just use a custom list like this. Click OK. Done. So without any cut paste, I'm going to sort the data like this. This is clear. So let us move into the third suite of data sorting. Now here we have multiple departments, नाम है उनके, and the role is there. तो क्या है? We have 3 columns: department, role, name and role. Now I wanted to sort the data based upon department. Let us see. Let us first sort the data. So sort. I'll go with this department and A to Z. Now after doing this, what will get? It's showing administration first small then capital. In case of finance, first small then capital. In case of maintenance, first capital then small. In case of marketing, capital small, capital small. So these are the random type of data that we are getting right now. Now what I wanted to do, I just wanted to sort the data based upon case. So all the data must be arranged. वो क्या हो जाएगा? Arrange हो जाएगा based upon their case. Let us see, because in this case of marketing, you can see that first capital letter is coming, then small letter, फिर capital, फिर small. So I'm getting the data into the random order. So let us see कैसे करेंगे. So I'll go with this sorting. There is an option here. Under options, I'm getting this case sensitive checkbox. I'll just check that option, click OK, and I'll just click OK. Done. So this is the data that I'm getting. Small capital, finance, small capital, maintenance, small capital, marketing, small capital. Any queries or doubts? So we can sort the data based upon the case also. Now let us move into the fourth one, which is this one. Now I wanted to sort the data based upon the color. I just wanted to sort the data based upon color. So I wanted to sort the data first blue color, then red, then green, then orange, like this. कैसे करेंगे? देखते हैं एक बार. Sort. It's asking sort by department. Let's say take any name. कोई भी एक department select कर लेते हैं. This one department. This is sale value. I'll go with this sale color. Now this is showing 4 colors. ये 4 colors देखिए. Right. Now based upon this, I have to just choose the labels. So first I'll go with this blue color on top. It's showing on top and on bottom. So I'll go with this blue color and this is showing on top. Click add. So if I'm going to click on add, now I have to select everything again, department, then cell color. So I'm going to delete this. It's better to select the copy level. And I can just change the color. Red. Add level, copy level. Sorry. This one, copy level. I'll just change the color only, which is green. Then copy level, then I'll go with this orange. So these are the 4 colors. This I've done. Click OK. Done. Okay. So we have done all the scenarios of data sorting. Be it be basic data sorting, be it be multiple levels data sorting, be it case sensitive data sorting, custom list data sorting, left to right data sorting, color data sorting, sorting based upon the colors. So we have done with this topic. So one more topic is left. So which is group and outline.